What's up, everybody? Hold on, let me cut my flashlight off. My battery don't go dead. I'm gonna be showing you the poor man's fireworks. You can get a lot of fireworks by doing it like this. At the same time, don't try this at home because it's not that safe. But here we go. Yeah, come get the camera. Come get the camera. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. There we go. Come a little closer. You're too far away. Alright, right there. Alright, first thing we got here. We got some bleach. You're supposed to be down here looking at the bleach. You see the bleach?
Uh-huh.
Alright, we got some bleach. Which is just not gonna make a good firework by itself. It just doesn't work. Get it open here. Okay, as we can see, bleach, it's not a good firework. It doesn't work great at all. It's nothing. Alright. So, second thing we got here, some peroxide. 3% hydrogen peroxide, okay? Get it at your local dollar store for about $1.50, $2. The bleach was like $1.50. As we can see here, got all the little dumping peroxide all over myself, dang it. But as you can see, peroxide doesn't do anything. So, we're gonna set the peroxide over there. And then we got your fingernail polish remover, acetone. This is a little bit dangerous by itself because if you too much, way too much. But anyway, if you look, you'll see that actually burns. So it's flammable, but not explosive. All right. So y'all ready to mix some chemicals? Alright, well let's do this. Make sure that's all out. I don't want to get caught on fire. Alright, so first thing we're going to do... Oh yeah, we forgot the aluminum foil. You don't have to use aluminum foil the way I'm using it, but the same principle works if you can find a different way. I find aluminum foil is probably going to be the easiest. So what you'll do, first thing you'll do, we all know aluminum foil ain't flammable. We cook with it, okay? No chance of it being flammable. Alright, so we're not even going to do the fire test. Oh heck, I'll do the fire test just for you guys, because y'all say it's flammable or something. You know, look, aluminum foil, not flammable. No boom. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to fold your aluminum foil like this here. Get your nice good sheet like this here. See? And you take that and you take and hold your pinky finger at the very end, and you wrap around your finger. And you're just gonna do that with the whole little thing. And since I don't need it super thick, I'm gonna just tear off half of that. And I'm gonna put my finger in there and I'm gonna squeeze and mold the aluminum foil around the finger like so, and then I'm gonna pinch the end and I'm gonna turn it up. Now, my fingers is big, so I gotta bring it down a little bit and then kind of crunch the end there so it's kind of small and you get a little tube like this. Alrighty. That really serves no major purpose, but I'll show you what we're gonna do with it. We're gonna take a bottle like this, a little baby bottle. Little baby bottle. Get the little baby bottle. What we gonna do with the little baby bottle? Oh, here we go. Take a bottle like this. Dump as much of the water out as you can. I got a regular cap here. And we're gonna just do this a couple times. Okay, we still got beads of water, but don't matter. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the bleach and you're gonna pour till it fills up to right about there. Everybody see that? Cool. right here at the bottom rim, just where the little creases start. And then you're gonna take this and drop it down in the bottle. Remember how I said you might have to make it smaller? But it went. But the whole trick is to drop that down in the bottle. Then we take hydrogen peroxide and we fill that all the way up to the top. Now what this is doing, this is separating the bleaching peroxide chemical reaction long enough for you to get the top, put the top back on. And tighten up the top. And then you flip the bottle upside down and you'll see a little fizzing and the bleach will turn salt watery looking. Alright, what we just did there is we just produced 100% pure oxygen. I guess you could do this if you have an oxygen tank too. It's the same principle. Anyway, that there is 100% pure oxygen. Now the bottle is pressurized, so when you open the bottle, hold it in the palm of your hand, and press down on the bottle, and turn it slowly. That's to prevent the cap from popping off and shooting bleaching peroxide everywhere. Now you take your pinky finger, you stick it up in there, and you attempt to grab the piece of aluminum foil out. Not working too great. I'm gonna crush it a little bit. Don't really matter. Alright. So we're gonna leave the aluminum foil in there. This is something new. I never tried that before. I hope it don't jack me up real bad. But anyway, relight your cigarette. So you can have one last puff if you die. Alright. And then got another cap around here. I took this cap and I poked a hole through it. So it'll fit on the lighter like so. Just push the lighter through there and see how that fits. You need one of these lighters to do this too, because if you try to light it with a regular lighter, you're going to be missing some fingers. Alright. Now, the last step is we take this, and it doesn't have to be that much, really it doesn't. Just like a couple of drops full of this, the fingernail polish remover in this bottle, is good enough. So, kind of get a close up, look, oh, there it goes, that's not that much. Now we put our cap back on, and we shake our bottle, and mind you, once you make these, they'll last for virtually ever. All you do is pick them up, shake them, and then you get your special little cap, which is already on my lighter. Twist the bottle on, and you say, "Hey man, don't fuck with me." And that's the end of our video. That's the Cheap Man's firework. It's very, very loud, and they're very, very fun, and very, very easy to make. So, I know my cameraman ain't the greatest, because he's like a 5-year-old from next door. Oh, actually, it's probably a little bit older, but you know. So, but anyway, this is my YouTube video. This is Cheap Man's firework, and that's how you make it. Alrighty, give me my thing on camera, kid. Come on, come on. Give me my camera. That's the end of the video.